Right, ladies and gentlemen, to season 2, episode 2. In the night, in the dark, in the day, in the light, there is birds everywhere. So we gotta strike them down before they strike us down. That's how life is, so deal with it with the time ticking down. So strike them down in the night, no one's around. There are birds in the sky, so we gotta strike them down.
Let's go, ladies and gentlemen.
Ah,
I see it. All right.
let's investigate.
There's been a bird here.
Yeah. Gotta be a bird somewhere.
Right there.
Ha! Knew it. There was
We
a
should
bird.
keep this as a bird sample.
Yup.
All right. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of season 2, episode 2. We'll see you in season 2, episode 3. Bye, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, the bird catcher is still here, perfect shape, but there's clearly been birds around it. We'll see what happens next episode.
Goodbye,
Bye, guys.
my bird catchers. This is the end of the line. Come back later in the day. Just a reminder, be safe in the day.